I'd like to show you a homemade helicopter that I built from different electronic components from different helicopters. This is a Parrot drone arm from a quadcopter that I had about 6 years ago. And I made a Y-shaped frame from yardsticks. As you can see the yardsticks there. I'm trying to get it in focus there. Got electronic speed controllers. That's those green things right there. One for each motor. And then there's the motor controller here, the computer that it interfaces. And then there's the receiver that I communicate with my my remote control here. So, and then the direction is controlled by this servo, which turns this prop back and forth, back and forth. So this prop moves the yaw of the helicopter, and so that's that servo right there that controls the yaw. So you can see it's pretty crude. Let me get my focus in here. It's clearly homemade, and I used a little ESC connector there, that blue thing, to control the mechanics and the geometry. So I want you to see it fly here in the ham shack. I'm just going to hover it a little bit, but I thought you might get a kick out of this. I built this in 2015 or 16, I think, somewhere in there. And it took a while to get it to fly correctly. And of course, the acid test is to see if it'll hover. So let's just set her down here. Let me set the camera up. I'll get a video of me hovering. You have the ability to configure these helicopters in all different kinds of setups. You can have 6 arms, 8 arms, 3 arms, and so I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing a triangular or a Y-shaped drone.